Welcome to this timbercraft home located on the western side of Edmond. My name is Kinsley Hauser and I'm a local realtor here in Edmond, Oklahoma and its surrounding areas. If you're thinking about moving in 10 days or 10 months, I'd love to be able to connect with you and help you on your move. I have helped people move from as far west as California, as far east as Massachusetts, and as far north as Alaska, and I'd love to help you too. All the ways that you can reach me will be in the description box below. So in this video, we're going to be touring this timbercraft home. Like I said, located on the western side of Edmond. It is very conveniently located to northwest Oklahoma City, which would be Walmart, Target, Costco, Sam's Club. You are within 10 minutes of pretty much anything you would need. You're also within Deer Creek schools and located relatively close to many of the schools here within the district. This home is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a designated bonus space and a designated study. One of my favorite things about this house is the balcony overlooking the front yard. So we will see that towards the end of this video as we go upstairs and take a peek at that bonus room with the balcony. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house. So like usual, we're gonna start on the outside. You can see that balcony up there that we will get to at the end. Excuse the construction noise in the background. This is a newer neighborhood, so there are still homes being built. But as you come in the front door, you enter into this entryway. And then to your left, you have a really nice size office, big window in the front. I don't actually know if the camera does it justice how big this room is, but then you come through here and you have a good sized closet in here as well, which I find is really nice, especially when they do built-ins like this, because you can store files, things like that. And there are books that you may not want to have displayed in your office, but this is definitely a good size room. As you come out of there, we have a half bath here. You will notice this house has a really modern design to it. Little coat closet here. A really modern design, so very sleek finishes, very white and bright. So as we come back out of there, we will go upstairs again towards the end of the tour just so we can look at that balcony. But right here to the right, you would come in from your garage and then you have, this is not the master, but you do have a nice sized bedroom here with its ensuite bathroom. So I think this would be great for guests, or I mean, it could even be kids room, whatever you would want it to be. If you wanted an office to have an ensuite bathroom, you have this here. So again, modern designs and finishes in here. And then you do have this accent wall. You've got really good storage here under the stairs. So it goes all the way back here. I've seen some people turn these into little like dog rooms, I guess it could be. So here we walk into the living space, which actually first is the kitchen. You can see a gas oven and stove there, but you also have one over there as well, which we'll get to in a second. But these cabinets are a little more unique in just their modern design. You've got a big farmhouse sink here, really long island overlooking what would be dining in the middle and then living room over there. My favorite thing about this house is probably this huge oversized fridge and freezer. You've got another oven and your microwave stored over here. And then a really good sized pantry. And I love how they added those outlets all the way around. You could even put potentially, I don't know if a coffee pot or maybe a coffee pot would fit in there, but your toaster, crock pots, things like that. So a good sized pantry here. And then big sliding doors, which, as I mentioned, this would be your dining space. So really big space for a good sized table here. I do want to show you out here because this has a really good sized patio on it and a massive backyard. So as you come out here, you can see the really good sized patio. And then your yard goes all the way out there, all the way around. So this is a really good sized yard. One of the bigger yards probably within this neighborhood. So we're gonna come back through here. You can kind of take another look here at that kitchen. Turning it around, actually I want to peek into this closet because I don't think we took a peek in here earlier. So kind of, I mean, it could be another pantry if you wanted it to be. Maybe the things you your snack cabinet maybe. So here's your living room. You can see good size space here. Every house I like to imagine where the Christmas tree would go, probably there. So then as you come back through here, we have our master suite, which is right beside the laundry. So you can see the laundry here with a sink over there. I like how they built this thing, just make it easy to fold things and whatnot. So then here is your master bedroom. Really good sized windows over there. And then into your master bathroom. You've got his and her sinks with the tub in the middle. A window up there bringing in light. Nice walk-in shower. Toilet room, and then a really good size walk-in closet here. Again, racks all the way to the ceiling. And then turning around, you can see more storage over here. I love the floors in here. Again, very modern look. And kind of coming out of here, you can see just how big this space is. And again, how big that island is. And as we come through here, I do want to go upstairs and we'll take a peek at the extra bedrooms and then also the bonus room, which we'll kind of show at the end because that is where that balcony is attached. So as we get to the top of the stairs, bedrooms that way, bonus room that way. Here is bedroom number 1. Down this hallway, we have bedroom number 2, good sized bedrooms. And then we have the bathroom that would be shared by those 2 bedrooms. Again, modern designs. And then now, straight through there is the bonus room, which has the little balcony attached to it. So you come through here, you've got a nice size bonus room, and then those sliding doors going out to the balcony. And it really is a good size balcony. I don't even know if you can really tell from outside how big it is, but you've got all the way from over here. So I think this is just really fun. If you wanted to sit out here and drink your morning coffee maybe, or just kind of a fun little feature, especially as it's attached right off of the bonus space. And then through here is not too much extra. You just have attic access there and then a closet here, which I love adding these little closets. Yes, because of coats and whatnot, but you could even add some shelving and it could be your game closet or something like that. As soon as we come back here, we'll take one more peek downstairs at that main living space. And that will conclude our tour. So here you can see, again, just this living room, which goes to the dining, which is here into the kitchen. So if you are still with me, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video tour. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are interested in this home, or maybe not this one, but you're just looking to move to Edmond, I'd love to be able to help you with your move. So again, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you again for watching to the end of this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.